Hey, this is Mark, the other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day. Hey, what are you doing sitting around? I know that it's wintertime. I know it's a little cold outside, but guess what? You need to get out and take pictures. The biggest tip that I can give anyone, including myself, is get out and take pictures. You know what? We've got great all-weather backpacks now, and your gear is pretty weather sealed. It's not gonna melt. You need to get out and take pictures. You know, photography isn't gear. Photography is taking photos. So stop what you're doing right now. I don't care if it's you gotta walk out your front door and walk around your neighborhood. Get out and take some pictures. You know, photography is defined as the art and the process of taking pictures. Guess what? Watching me and reading in a book is not part of photography. It's a great way to learn, but the best way you can learn is just get out there and do it. This is Mark, your other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day.